Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix the shop app not working on your phone. So first step would be to check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try opening another app or website to confirm your connection. Second step is to restart the shop app, close the app completely and reopen it. This often fixes small glitches. Third step is to update the shop app. For that, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Here, search for shop app. Locate the official app and tap update if available. Fourth step, clear app cache. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search for shop app. Scroll down and go to storage. Then tap clear cache. This helps remove temporary files causing issues. Fifth step is to restart your device. Simply restart your phone and try opening the app again. And if nothing works, uninstall the shop app and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most problems with the shop app not working. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.